So DJ is playing the music over there. You can see the closer on the screen. This must be a song of the anime as well. I don't know that, but wow. Have you seen the geek, Otaku? I was so surprised. Oh, very passionate. You know, people around there as well. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Maybe this is a song they love, I think. Look at that, people are coming. He said don't run. Wow. Wow, this must be a very popular song. Many people are so happy. this is so passionate. If people who love idol song or anime song come to listen to the music of the DJ.
10月9月ぐらいリリースタイミングがこのタイミングであれば手先のような
This is the information of this event.
駆け込みです駆け込みで
2,500 yen in the entrance fee, and it will last until 7 p.m. from 12. Wow, it's very long for 7 hours. He said this is the last DJ.
はい、ラスト DJ 務めさせていただきます。ブレイと申します。よろしくお願いします。最後まで楽しんでください。
People are watching, listen to the music or watching the people who are dancing. I think this is a very interesting Japanese culture. I'm actually happy to show you. Maybe you can see this scene, this kind of scene in the live studio in Akihabara, but it's rare to see outside, you know, like this. That's interesting. Okay, so actually I was supposed to end this video here with showing you the Christmas illumination of the tree. But I found this event by chance. I'm kind of lucky. It's interesting. I never dislike kind of these things, you know. It's very nice thing that the people have a hobby, and it's nice thing to people can be passionate of something. And also anime song or animation is also kind of the artwork. And also this is the Japanese culture which we have to proud of. Wow, so exciting. Alright, I think this is enough for now. So I will be ending this video here. Look at the beautiful Christmas illumination of the tree. Alright, so if you like this video, please hit the like button for me. I hope you enjoyed my quick walk in the west side of Ikebukuro station. Okay, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And see you next time. Take care everyone. Bye bye.